back, and this time you will actually see the amazing twist out that I have in my hair on top of the color that I added just to give it a little spice. I love this twist out. If you want to hear my thoughts on this twist out, if you want to hear how I feel, what I use to lay my edges, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter to keep up with me on the daily. With that being said, let's just get into this video. In this video, I'm actually going in with Purple Supreme, which is the purple, and the Flame, which is the red, to add some color to my dry twists. This video is really self-explanatory. I use the tip of my fingers to add the color to my dry twists, and after they dry, I do a twist out. So if you want to see what my twist out looks like while I'm taking them down, and my feedback on the color, and just overall these mini twists that I've had in for almost 2 weeks, make sure that you watch the video in its entirety. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure that you always turn on your bell so that you never miss another video, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I just said this, but just a little reminder. Peace and love. Thank you so much for your support, and that's all. and this is the finished results. Now let me tell you, when I first added the red, here and there I said, I'm not really feeling it, so I'm not gonna really put it all over my hair. But now that I've unraveled these juicy mini twists, I'm in love. I really like the pop of red here and there, but overall I really love the purple and how vibrant it is. I really didn't want to add the color all throughout my hair. I just wanted it to be towards the front, and the back is just, you know, fully defined. Look at all of this juiciness right here. I am completely in love with this twist out. Is that a twist I see? I love how much definition I have. I love how I don't have much frizz at all. Now, I did feel some of the frizz building up in the back. Some of the twists were a little loose at the root, and that's expected. I've had my twists in for what, like 10 days or so, 11, 12, something like that. So with that being said, I really love the overall results. So what I'm going to do is grab my pick at my root, create a little more volume because I feel like my hair is really flat and I want a little more volume with all this definition, and then that's it. So stick around. Look at that. I've only done the top, I haven't done the back, and you can automatically see the volume. So I'm gonna finish picking and then you'll see the final results. I've laid down my edges with Mish's Hydrating Twisting Butter. I added my hoops, a little bit of lip gloss, and I feel amazing. Again, I am so happy with the way that this twist out came out. I really attribute this bomb twist out to Mish Beauty. Why? Because that's the only product I have in my hair for 2 weeks. 2 weeks I've had the same products in my hair. I've only done a scalp massage with their oil once because my scalp was a little itchy. Within 2 weeks, I mean, come on now. And now that I have this twist out, I really want to keep my hair styled like this for an extra couple of days. I mean, today was supposed to be wash day, but it's not going to happen. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. Other than that, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter to keep up with me on the daily and just see what hairstyles I come up with. I'll see you guys later. Bye.